Today I'm going to show you how to make spinach pasta salad. Let's get started. Let's cut out tomato. Okay, we're just gonna cut out tomato. I just de-seeded this tomato real nicely, and we're just gonna use this part of the tomato on this salad, and it's beautiful. That's what you want. Okay. Now we're gonna just thinly slice our onion, as thin as you can get it. Oh wow, this is great. There we go. That's about enough. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and prepped them. We have spinach, we have tomato, we have raisin, we have onion, we have mandarin, we have penne, pasta, we have black pepper, we have sliced almonds, we have vinegar, and olive oil. Okay, let's begin by making our dressing. Our vinaigrette, our olive oil, our mandarin. Just gonna squeeze in, get that nice juice going. Wow. I'm using half a mandarin. Oh, that looks great. Salt and pepper. Okay, that's blending in nicely. You see how it's emulsifying? It's becoming one. That's what you want, guys. It's emulsifying. That means it's becoming one. The oil and the citric from the mandarin is incorporating it. So you have one nice sauce. This is what you want. Now we're going to put it all together. Start with the penne, raisins, all right. Dressing, our spinach. Let's toss that up. Coat it nicely. Coat it nicely. Wow, this is looking great. Wonderful. This is it, guys. Spinach and pasta salad. Very healthy salad you can make. It's very simple. I'm telling you guys, have fun. Thanks guys for watching. And until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.